Hello everyone, welcome back to the Helping Hand. To all the students who are eligible for the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, that is CTET examination, here are the important notification, the important updates and the important dates. CTET is a Central Teacher Eligibility Test which is conducted for the students who are willing to be a teacher by the central government every year. This year the examination is going to be held in December 2021. All the notification and all the important updates for the examination are: the application will be begin from 28th September 2021 and the last date for registration will be 19th October 2021. So the period of approx 1 month is given to you in order to register yourself for the examination if you want to. The last date for fees payment is 20th October 2021, that is the uh, after 1 month from now. Okay, the exam date will be in between 16th December 2021 to 13th January 2022. In between these days your examination can be done in any day, and what will be your date of examination will be mentioned in the admit card which is going to be released before the examination. Notified soon. Okay, application fees, if you talk about, there are two ways of the application fees. If you want to do the exam for single subject only, that is if you want to appear for the examination of class 1st to 5th only, then your examination fees will be 700 per head for general and OBC, and for SC ST and PH students it will be 350 per rupees per head. And if you want to appear for both the paper, that is if you want to do the examination for 1st to 5th and 6th to 8th too, your examination fees will be 1200 per head for the general and OBC, and 600 per head for SC ST and PH. You can pay your examination fees through debit card, credit card, net banking or e-challan. By any mode you can do your payment till October, till 20th October 2021, which is the which is the last date for fees payment. This year, due to pandemic, the examination is going to be held in online mode. Otherwise the examinations were in offline mode. So you, all the students who are going to appear in the examination for the first time or for second or third attempt, every student need to practice about the online mode of examination, because there are some changes in the modes of questions and modes of syllabus also. So you have to do the complete practice about the examination, about the online test, because the test is going to be computer based. So do your regular mock test, do solve the online examination papers and previous year question papers. Do prepare yourself, and all the best to all the students, to all the aspirants who